Today we are going to change this lower ball joint on Kymco 550. The part number is this one, and it's the same ball on upper and lower ball joint. So 4 times this part goes into the Kymco MXU 550. So first you need obviously take your tire off, and after that there is one 14mm socket that you need to take off. When the bolt is off, then you need to get the ball joint off. I use this kind of tool. Yes. So next we have to take this locking ring away. Move it a little bit, then use the proper pliers. Yes, got it. Let's see if it goes off. Yes, off we go. Then you need to clean this hole a little bit. Let's put the new one, hope it fits. Yes. You should get it much more this side. It seems to be that if you can't press it by your fingers, you can use this kind of tool and rotate it. So you can see where the circlip is going to go. Make sure that it snaps on. Then it's good. You hear the clicking sound. Okay, now we have changed the lower ball joint. So I usually put some grease over here to get it back. Yes, and the bolt. Tied it by your hand. Yes, now we're ready. Yes, replacing the lower ball joint helped a little, but I noticed that I have also some loose on upper bushings over here. So I need to replace bushings inside this arm, and same thing on lower bushings on both sides. And probably I need to change the upper ball joint also.